Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. I'm gonna put the Toyota Passo Moda to the test and see if it really is the best car for tax in 2024. When it comes to choosing the right vehicle, there are many factors to consider, but for many car owners, taxes are a major concern. In 2024, more than ever, being mindful of tax implications can make all the difference in your car buying experience. That's why today, we are going to explore one standout model that's been making waves in the industry, the Toyota Passo Moda. Many of us have been there, stuck with a car that's draining our wallets thanks to hefty tax bills. It's frustrating, to say the least. But the truth is, choosing the right vehicle can be a game changer. Not only can it save you money on taxes, but it can also impact your overall driving experience. So, what are some of the common challenges car owners face when it comes to taxes? For one, there's the pesky beneficial interest in a vehicle tax, which can add up quickly. Then, there's the vehicle excise duty, which seems to only increase over time. And let's not forget about the dreaded vehicle registration tax. It's enough to make your head spin. It's enough to make you wonder, is there a way to avoid these headaches and actually save some money? The answer is yes, and it all starts with choosing the right vehicle. By selecting a car that's been optimized for tax savings, you can start driving away with a clearer conscience and a fuller wallet. But which cars truly deliver on this promise? That's what we are about to explore. The Toyota Passo Moda is no stranger to the world of tax-friendly vehicles, and for good reason. This sleek and stylish ride offers an impressive array of features that make it the perfect choice for those looking to save on taxes. First and foremost, there's its incredible fuel efficiency. With an estimated 30 miles per gallon in the city and 40 on the highway, you'll be racking up the savings in no time. But that's not all. The Passo Moda also boasts an impressive tax benefit thanks to its environmentally friendly design. But don't just take my word for it, the user reviews speak for themselves. Car owners rave about the Passo Moda's reliability, comfort, and of course, its tax benefits. One reviewer went so far as to say, "I was blown away by the amount of money I saved on taxes with the Passo Moda. It's been a total game changer for my wallet." When you consider all the perks the Passo Moda has to offer, it's easy to see why it's considered one of the top tax-friendly cars on the market. The numbers don't lie. The Toyota Passo Moda is a clear winner when it comes to tax savings. According to recent statistics, Passo Moda owners have reported an average tax savings of over 20% compared to other vehicles in its class. That's real money in your pocket, folks. But what really sets the Passo Moda apart is its commitment to sustainability. With its eco-friendly design and impressive fuel efficiency, you can drive away knowing you're doing your part for the environment. In a world where taxes seem to only go up, it's refreshing to find a vehicle that's truly designed with the owner in mind. The Toyota Passo Moda is more than just a car, it's a smart investment in your financial future. So, if you're in the market for a new ride and want to keep some extra cash in your pocket, look no further. The Toyota Passo Moda is a clear winner when it comes to tax savings in 2024. With its impressive fuel efficiency, the tax benefits, and eco-friendly design, it's the perfect choice for car owners looking to save some money. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. What do you think about